Okay, so this is my Genie Pro garage door opener, and one of the issues that I was running is you see that screw that turns every time I try to operate the garage door opener, and that screw keeps turning and does not move the gate. So I called Genie and tried to find out. A lot of people were saying, oh, this might be bad. In fact, I had a company come in, the guy told me this is bad, then he told me the spring is bad, but none of that is the cause. According to Genie, there is a very small piece, and I'll fill in you guys with what exactly it is. That piece usually goes bad, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unassemble this and I'll show it to you guys. The guy even told me that the problem, at first he told me that the problem is with the spring, then he told me the problem is with that gear, and once he tried fixing the gear and that didn't work, then he's like, oh, your motor is bad, so your motor needs to be replaced. They really didn't know what they were doing. The whole problem I had was when you turn this on, the shaft would move, which is this thing right there, it would move, but it would stop and it starts making a clicking noise. So basically nothing was moving, and it was obvious something was slipping, but these guys didn't know what they were doing. So let me show you guys what exactly. So now, as you can see, this is disassembled, and there is a screw drive coupler. 30257T is the part number, and that is right here, you can see. And what I did was I removed the rail going back to the springs right there. All I had to do was, there was 2 screws up there. There were 2 screws holding the rail from here, and just remove the wire. I mean, it's very easy. Just pry off, and the whole rail comes off very easy. And that part is a $3 to $4 part, and that goes in right here, which basically drives the screw right here. And this is the end of and this basically goes in and drives that. So that small part is your problem. Okay, this is your part, and all you need to do is just take a needle nose plier, and there you go, just take it out. This is your piece, and as you can see, this is your piece, alright? As you can see, it's all worn off. So that's the only piece that you're going to replace, and everything else looks good inside, so there's no need to replace anything else. Only that piece. Basically, this piece, what it does is it joins the motor with your rail, and what happens is, if this piece is worn out, as you can see it is, it's not going to turn that rail, and it's going to start clicking. It tries, but it starts clicking because it's slipping. So once you put this new piece in, $4, your problem is solved.